Question 16. Megan makes a sequence of numbers starting with 100. She subtracts 45 each time. So we're going minus 45 down to 55, minus another 45 down to 10. Write the next two numbers in the sequence. So we need to continue this sequence. So we need to be starting on 10 and going down another 45. Well, let's work that out first. So on a number line, imagine 10 and we're going backwards. We're actually going down 45. So if we go down 10 first of all, that will take us to 0. We should always use 0 to help. But we've only gone down 10. We need to go down 45. So we need to go down another 35 because 10 and 35 makes 45 altogether that we need to be going down. So if we're on 0 and we go down another 35, we're basically going to be getting to negative 35, which is going to be the first box that we are looking for. But then we're on negative 35 and we need to go down again another 45. Well, if you imagine your number line again with 0 in the middle, then if you were on positive 35 and you wanted to go up 45, then you would do 35 plus 45, which would be 5 and 5 is 10, 3 plus 4 plus the one I've just carried is 8. So if you were on 35 and you went up 45, that would get you to 80, positive 80. But it is symmetrical on the other side of the 0. So if you're on minus 35 and you go down another 45, well, 35 up 45 gets you to 80. So negative 35 down another 45 gets you to negative 80. And that is the missing answer that we're looking for, negative 80. It's a good idea when doing questions like this to think of the number line and use the 0 to help you. 0 is your best friend when it comes to doing questions involving negative numbers and number lines.